So in this short quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat add-in friends problem. So if you have this problem, this video is going to help you a lot. So just keep watching until the end. First thing, all what you want to do is go to the settings. Go to the apps manager like this. When you open the apps, now right here, you will find all the apps. Go to Snapchat, click on force stop right here, and then click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache. Go back, click on the data usage right here, disable all these options and enable them back again like this. And the last thing you want to do is go back to the home page and open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Snapchat and update it. After you update it, that's it. Very easy and simple. The problem is fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.